audience expansion on LinkedIn, on or off? Hi, my name is Regitze from Greatest Marketing Agency. So audience expansion is both on Facebook and LinkedIn. And it means that when you're targeting a certain audience, usually a certain interest group, then when you have audience expansion turned on, then you're telling the platform that it's okay if it can find you conversions, leads, or clients or customers outside of this audience group that you have selected. And on Facebook, we used to turn it off, but now the algorithm has become so good that it's actually very, very good at finding people who would convert, who would buy or become a lead outside of this target group that we have set for it. So now we often recommend to leave it on, or at least test a campaign with having it on, and a similar campaign where you turn it off. But on LinkedIn, their algorithm is not as far yet. And therefore on LinkedIn, we always turn it off because it's not giving any good results. It's just showing your ads to random people, and LinkedIn is more expensive to run ads on, but it's also in many cases a very good leads and clients that you get. So for high ticket coaches, it's definitely a very good platform. So if you want to work with us, then we specialize in Facebook and LinkedIn ads for coaches and consultants. You can book a call with me. There's a link in the description to learn more about it. So also comment below if you would like me to do more videos around LinkedIn ads. And give me a like if you like it, subscribe for more, and also share it with someone who might find it useful also. And also down in the description we have some free downloads. There's a free Facebook ad template if you want to run your own Facebook ads as a coach or consultant. And we have a free ebook, Mastering Social Media Marketing Strategies for Coaches and Consultants. That's more organic marketing, so go ahead and download that. And also join our free Facebook group where you can learn more tips from me and also other marketers. Link in the description for that also. And thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.